Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of the charger that comes with VIVO Y35. And to do this we'll need to use Gosun Smart socket, which I already have connected to the power source, and on this phone right here we'll be able to see the performance on, it should be in electric tab right here. Now let's take the charger. Connect it to our device, then to the socket, and now in about like 30 seconds we should see the statistics. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.